And now let's learn how to draw a circular graph or a pie chart, and sometimes we call it a circular diagram. Let's follow this link and go to GeoGebra. Let's close this. Okay, first of all, we draw a circle and a horizontal radius, and we have to start that way. We care about the central angles here in the given table. The first one is 36, then 90, then 126, 72, and 36. It's better to mark them as arranged in this table. So I start from this point and I'll let you know how do I choose angle with given size. I select point A, then point O. The measurement of the angle is required. I write 36 and I press OK. Here is the angle. I just have to join it with a segment. As you do with the protractor, the same idea. Okay? Now, I prepared the angles and I'm going to show you them. First angle is 36, so I'll press here 36 and then I join it with a segment. Then I have to put the protractor on this segment, not on this. I have to move like this. So I put the protractor on this segment and measure 90 degrees. Here is the 90 degrees. I join it with the segment. Again, I put the protractor here and measure 126, moving in order. Then I join the segment. Also, I put the protractor again here, measure 72 and join it with a segment, and the last angle will be ready. Okay? Now, if the question was to draw the frequency circular graph, all what I have to do is to fill in inside the graph the frequencies. I start with the first one, and if I want to be more precise, I can distribute the values along this pie chart. For example, here is corresponding for the value 6. So I write 6 outside, and if the question was to draw the frequency bar graph, pie chart, I write here 2 using this frequency. Now this piece here is corresponding to the value 7, so I write outside 7 and inside I write the frequency, which is 5. Again, this piece here is corresponding to the value 8, which has the highest frequency. Notice it is the largest piece because it has the highest frequency, and so on. Here is corresponding to the value 9, and here is corresponding to the value 10. Okay? This piece is corresponding to the value 10. Okay. Now, if the question was to write or to draw the pie chart relative to the percentage, or the percentage pie chart, or the relative frequency pie chart, I have to distribute inside this pie chart according to the question. If the percentage pie chart is required, all what I have to do is to write here inside 10%. Okay, we write 10%. Here I write 25%, and so on. So we fill inside the circle according to the required question.